Good morning class. This is our first video of chapter 18, reflection and rotational symmetry. Today we are going to start our chapter symmetry. You are already aware about reflection symmetry and line of symmetry. In this chapter we will do rotational symmetry also and order of rotational symmetry. Now what is reflection symmetry? A figure is said to be symmetrical about a line L if it is identical on either side of L. You have already done this. Have a look. Like you can see, AB is a line. AB line is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector. Getting? You can see angle AOB. It is symmetrical about its again bisector of angle, that is OC. An isosceles triangle is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle included between the equal sides. Similarly, you can see this is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a type of quadrilateral which is a kite. It is symmetrical about its diagonal AC. We are already aware of all these facts. You can see it is symmetrical. In nature we are having so many figures which are in symmetry. A semicircle, you can see a semicircle is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector of diameter AB, done in standard 6 also. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to BC. Non-parallel sides are equal, then it is an isosceles trapezium. In this we have E and F are the midpoints of AB and DC respectively. Then trapezium ABCD is symmetrical about EF. Getting? A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, each one of which is the line joining the midpoint of opposite sides. You can see rectangle have two lines of symmetry. Rhombus is symmetrical about each one of its diagonal. Rhombus is symmetrical about its diagonals. Square has four lines of symmetry. You can see, I'll show you by folding also. Just have a look, then I'll show you. A square has four lines of symmetry, namely diagonals and the line joining the midpoint of its opposite sides. Along diagonals and line joining the midpoint of opposite sides. An equilateral triangle is symmetrical about one of its bisector. You can see equilateral triangle is symmetrical about each one of the bisector of its interior angle. Interior angles bisectors. An equilateral triangle is having three lines of symmetry. It is symmetrical about each one of the bisector of its interior angles. Now what about circle? Circle is symmetrical about each one of its diameter, and you know that it has infinite diameter. So it has infinite lines of symmetry. Circle is symmetrical about each one of its diameter. Each of the following capital letters of English alphabet is symmetrical about the dotted line or lines as shown. Some alphabets is having horizontal line of symmetry, some is having vertical and some is having both. You have done in standard 6 also. You are aware of these alphabets. A vertical symmetry, B horizontal, C horizontal, D horizontal, E horizontal, H both vertical and horizontal. I is having both lines of symmetry, is symmetrical about its horizontal and vertical. M vertical lines of symmetry, O both, T vertical, U vertical, V vertical, W vertical, X both, Y vertical. Now let us start our exercise 18A, in which you are supposed to just tick on the right option. A scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. You are aware. Scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. A rectangle is symmetrical about, we have done earlier, line joining the midpoint of its opposite sides. Square has how many lines of symmetry? 4 lines of symmetry. Then rhombus. Rhombus is symmetrical about each of its diagonal. Class, all these questions are based, which we have done earlier, on these facts. All these questions are based. A circle has an unlimited lines of symmetry. Then in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. That means triangle is isosceles, and AD is perpendicular on BC, BE is perpendicular on AC, and CF is perpendicular on AB. Then triangle ABC is symmetrical about AD. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. Getting? Because the triangle is isosceles. Let me show you how we have done this. Have a look. Like this is an ABC isosceles triangle. Then if these two sides are equal, AB and AC, these two sides are equal, then it is symmetrical about the perpendicular bisector AD only. We are having the perpendicular bisector of all these three sides, but it is symmetrical about this one because we are having AB is equal to AC. Getting? The next question is question number 7. ABCD is a kite in which AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. You can see AB, AD, BC, DC. The kite is symmetrical about the diagonal done earlier. Okay class, you can draw here also. Yes, all these questions just do in the book only. The letter O of English alphabet has 2 lines of symmetry done here only. Getting? Don't confuse between O and circle. Yes, the letter Z of English alphabet has how many lines of symmetry? No line of symmetry, no vertical and no horizontal. Draw the line of symmetry in each of the following figure. You can do this question also in book, or if you want you can do in notebook. Like in first part, how you will draw, have a look. In first part your line of symmetry will be, let me show you, you will do in the notebook yourself from here. Getting? In second part, line of symmetry will be here only. In third part again same here. Line of symmetry is the line which makes the rest two parts identical. Here in fourth figure you are having vertical and horizontal, both lines of symmetry. Like this you will draw. Getting? If you are supposed to draw in the book, please use pencil only, otherwise do in the notebook. In question number 11, which of the following statements are true and which of them are false? A perpendicular has no line of, a parallelogram has no line of symmetry. It is true. Parallelogram is not having any line of symmetry. Particular type of parallelogram like square, kite are having, but parallelogram is not having any line of symmetry. An angle with equal arms has its bisectors as the line of symmetry. We can't say. An angle, like any angle, just draw an angle. An angle with equal arms has its bisector as the line of symmetry. It is true. Getting? Third is an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Again true. A rhombus has 4 lines of symmetry. No, it is false because rhombus is symmetrical about its diagonal only. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. It is true. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Again true. Each one of the letter H, I, O, X has 2 lines of symmetry. It is also true. Getting class? Now we will learn rotational symmetry in our next video. Today's homework is do exercise 18A in the book only. Getting? If you want you can do question number 10 in the notebook, otherwise you can do it in the book also. Plus please take care, use pencils in the book only. Getting? Again have a look. In this exercise we have done line of symmetry and reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry, done all these line, angle. Have a look. isosceles triangle, kite, semicircle, then isosceles trapezium, rectangle, rhombus, we have done square, we have done equilateral triangle, we have done circle, and some English alphabets. Okay, in the next exercise we will do rotational symmetry. Okay class.